Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingandblog.com, and this is my profit page review demo and $3,125 bonus. We will jump into it. I'm going to tell you everything there is to know about it, and in a nutshell it is a done for you online business. So you're getting the products to sell, you're getting pages to sell them on, and you also get traffic training. So a complete package. And obviously you should know that selling products is the #1 way you can make actually millions of dollars if you want to. So let's jump into it. Let me share my screen and let's jump into profit page review. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page and the pricing and everything else, I just wanted to show you how much competitors are charging for something similar. It's not exactly what ProfitPage is doing, because ProfitPage actually gives you done for you courses or products to sell, but with ClickFunnels, just to create the pages, you would have to spend a minimum of $97 per month up to $297 per month. And actually another one, this is what I'm using every single month, OptimizePress, and as you can see it's anywhere from $99 per year to $199 per year. So this is something you would have to pay a recurring fee for, and ProfitPage is a great alternative because again you're paying a one-time fee which is less than $20, which is pretty crazy, and also you're getting products that you can start selling immediately after you get your hands on it. Okay, so as you can see it says ProfitPage warning, commercial license included for early adopters only. So you can actually use ProfitPage and sell gigs on Fiverr, gigs on Upwork and other freelancing websites, and just do this for other people too. Sell ready-made products automatically using game-changing software, 100% done for you, the easiest way to start your own online business. Sell products, get free traffic and make money online, period. So as you can see again, the commercial lights to a dozen of softwares will be added to this done for you pages. I'm going to show you all of this in a second. Okay, so you're also going to be getting 100% free automated traffic. That's all included. So again, this is a done for you pretty much online business. So take a look at this. This is how much money you can make selling products. Okay, so obviously making money as an affiliate is great, but you know, you normally get 50%. Just imagine, you know, doing the same amount of selling and just keeping 100% of the profits to yourself. You know, $1,000 a day, as you can see, last 30 days, $39,000, and this is not something super crazy, you know, to sell $1,000 worth of products in a day. It's not, you know, it's not something super crazy. But again, to make $1,000, you would have to actually sell $2,000 worth of products as an affiliate. So you can use this to rank these pages on the first page of Google and get some more proof here, some more ranking proof. And I'm just scroll down. You can go for all of this in your own time as always. ProfitPage, that's the name of this new product, and again you're going to be getting 15 done for you products built in, and you're getting all the pages to sell them, to deliver them, etc. Okay, some more proof, some testimonials, including one from myself right here, as you can see, and that will be essentially it. They do a little sum up right here, 30 days money back guarantee. And let me just mention to you that this is released by Radu Hahayanu, Mike McKay and Kellen Yowan. Okay, so little FAQ right here in the end, you can check it all out in your own time. Let me just show you the inside of the members area and how it all works. Okay, so first of all, this is a WordPress plugin, so you're gonna have to install it on a website. As you can see, I have it installed right here. We have the general settings, we have the role manager, design options, custom CSS, product license, shortcode mapper, grid builder, and about. So I'm not going to be going into all, you know, all of these options. What you have to know is that all you have to do is just go to pages and just click on add new, and when you're going to be adding a new page, as you can see, we have the profit page right here. This is after installing obviously the profit page plugin. So let's click on profit page. And as you can see, we have the back-end editor and we have the front-end editor. So front-end looks like this. Essentially, you know, you are seeing the page live, and you can add an element, you can add a text block, you can add templates, you can add whatever element you want, like with any other page creator. And let's click on the back-end right here. So this is how to edit it on the back-end. Same exact thing, but again, you can do it on a live page, or you can do this in the WordPress backend right here. So let me just click on element and show you how many different elements you can actually add. So text blocks, icons, Facebook likes, carousels, buttons, you know, HTML, you name it, they got it. Essentially, you can add anything you want to these pages. You can make them look amazing. And keep in mind, obviously you can create these pages for free, but you also get done for you pages, which will include done for you sales pages for the 15 products that you gonna be getting with ProfitPage. Okay, so first of all, again, you're getting 15 software products that are done for you and 15 sales pages. So even if you're just gonna go to Fiverr and see how much people are charging for a sales page, you would probably pay $200 to $300 to $400. Okay, you're getting 15 together with thank you pages, with members areas, sales pages. You're getting everything, okay, for all 15 products. This is exactly what you're getting, and this is how the backend looks like. So obviously you're going to be getting a video training as well. And right now let's check out the pricing. Let me just mention the prices first, and then we will go into each one. Now, as you can see, the main product, ProfitPage, will be $17. This is absolutely crazy. You know, going back to Optimize Press, $99 per year, Click Funnels, $97 per month. With ProfitPage, you're paying $17 one-time price, and you're getting 15 done for you products with the pages. So essentially $1.15 per done for you product and page. Pretty crazy, right? Then we have audio number 1, which is a pro version, $47. Audio number 2, done for you pack, $37. The reseller's license is audio number 3, $67. And audio number 4 is IMX Club, $67. And guys, as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog for you ready. So this will include the funnel. So as you can see, the pro version unlocks all the limitations. Okay, so the main version does have some limitations. You will be able to make money with it, but if you want to take massive action and unlock all the additional features, that's audio number 1, the pro version, $67. Then we have the done for you pack, and the main version essentially will give you all of these done for you products. But if you want additional done for you campaigns and done for you pages, that's something additional. Then we have the reseller's license, $67. Essentially, you can sell ProfitPage as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on all of the products. Okay, so not just the main product. And IMX is for people who are interested in making millions online. Here you are getting all of the products released by Mike and Radu and future releases too. Okay, so these are the OTOs, and as you can see, I have a huge bonus package for you. So if you'll decide to pick it up from my link, you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free. And ProfitPage goes live at 11 AM Eastern on February 19th. All you have to do to pick it up from my link is click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click the first link in the description, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you 2, actually 3 custom-made bonuses, especially for this promotion, that will include a couple of affiliate strategies and a secret SEO hack course. So 3 of these are custom-made. You're also gonna get some software bonuses with a reseller's license. Okay, so you're gonna get Control Press, you're gonna get VidPix Pro, you're gonna get Logo Studio, you're gonna get VidConnect, and you're gonna get Vid Promo Pages, and also Facebook Vidmatic. All of these are softwares with a reseller's license. You're also going to get Rapid Niche Profits, my own WSO awarded course, targeted traffic cache search, newbie traffic formula, 12 additional bonuses, which will include local SEO leverage, new age SEO, black hat SEO, get Google traffic, backlink basics, traffic explosion, 10 steps auditing, SEO skills, traffic and inclination, a recurring income course, targeted Instagram video course, and product creation formula, and 8 more. Udemy Profits, Video Opt-in, WP Blogbook, Buzz Machine, Flash Pages, Link Tweets, Scarcity Log, and Squeeze Question. This will be a total of 31 bonuses, but on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and that's why the total will be $3,125 on this. Now guys, Again, I have a full written review, so you can read through it as well as watch this review video right here. I'm going to have a full demo showing you exactly how these pages work, so check out the demo as well. I'm going to have it right here on the blog post and also on my YouTube channel. And just to sum up this profit page review, you're getting 15 done for you built-in products that you can sell, 3 different ways to generate full page funnels. You can instantly create any page. You're gonna get a built-in drag and drop editor, jaw dropping templates, commercial license included, very, very important. You can actually use this to sell gigs on Fiverr and other websites. 100% newbie friendly and no monthly fees, so you don't have to pay $100 per month for this. You're getting all of this for your $17. Before you go, guys, let me just show you how to claim my bonus. All you have to go is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So click on the top right corner right here on your icon, go to purchase history, and you should see a profit page right here in your purchases. Then just click on it, and below the green button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying profit page bonuses from Art. That's how you're gonna claim it. Don't send me emails, don't send me receipts. That's all done automatically if you will use one of these links right here on my blog, one of these blue links right here, or if you are watching on YouTube, again, that's the first link in the description, and the second link will take you to my blog. Guys, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Please like this video on YouTube. And again, just do yourself a favor, go to optimizepress.com, check out their prices, go to ClickFunnels, check out their prices, check out any other page builder like you know, maybe InstaBuilder or any other page builder. You can also check out how much people are actually charging for gigs on Fiverr. So you know, you would have to pay at least $100 per page. You're getting 15 products. You know, you're getting everything to start selling 6 figures per year in products easily. I really like this product because it's essentially done for you. You know, you don't have to do anything else but just put it all together, add your links to it, and make money. So that was my profit page review. Again, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.